Today I'm going to be making a bird feeder. For a bird feeder, I'm going to tell you all the steps you have to do first, then we're going to actually do it. So first, we get a pine cone. Then you put the peanut butter or spread it around it. Then you dump your rice on this plate. Then we just roll it around. Then you take a string, tie it around, tie it on your tree, and then the birds or any animal will come and eat it. Okay, so now we're actually going to start. So first, here's my pine cone. Now I have my peanut butter, and now I'm going to spread it out. Getting a little bit messy, but that won't happen. So make sure I spread it everywhere, so if you put some rice, then it won't stick. So we're done spreading. Now I'm gonna dump my rice. Then I'm just gonna shake it. Then I take my pine cone and roll it around. Make sure to sprinkle it everywhere. Now I'm going to tie my pine cone onto the string. So now we're gonna go under one of my trees and I'm just gonna tie it around it. So I tied my pine cone to the tree. So now outside I'm just waiting for birds to come.